going on, y'all? How's everyone doing? We got a C8 here, green on black. Try to get a look at that. It's actually a dealer trade. I'm just going to install some wheel locks, do a walk around as far as in just making sure the body is good, check the fluids, and put nitrogen in the tires. So, if you ever wanted to pop the trunk or the hood on one of these, right there. And then there's also a way you can pop the hood right underneath here. You just hold it for a few seconds and it pops the hood. So if ever the button inside the vehicle doesn't work, you can always come out here and hold this right here underneath the vent on the driver's side to pop the hood. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It's going to clean up right after I'm done. Right now I'm just about to put some nitrogen in the tires. It's actually a 2024. So this is a 2024. I believe this is a 1 LT. No, it's a 2 LT. Okay, so this is a 2 LT. 2 LT, so you have 3, you have 1 LT, 2 LT, 3 LT. 3 LT, of course, is your highest trim level in the LT trim. And then you have 2T and 1T. 1T is the cheapest. Less bells and whistles. Take a look at that. Black top. Pretty nice. So I'm just gonna do the last holes, check the door card, and make sure I get the proper PSIs for this vehicle. And it's 30 PSI front and back. So the front tires are 30 PSI, the rear tires are 30 PSI. Over to the nitrogen machine. 30. And you would have thought that it would be staggered air pressures, but I guess not. And here we go. And the process begins. So while that's going on, go ahead and that's all. 2024 Chevy Corvette, green, orange on black. Just wanted to give y'all a look at it. The different colors, the different trims. All right, later, y'all.